CRC Worldviews and News, important news about Christians worldwide. Today is the 30th of June 2025. Indy says that there is a drought in Ghana, Islamic extremists are attacking, kidnapping Christians, and even killing them. There is a water reservoir in the area, but it is now occupied by the invaders. Indy's family was also killed in the same fight. Miriam said that she has been living in Iraq for several years, but she was also kidnapped in the attacks of the Islamic State but was rescued. Now she is forced to leave Iraq and is living in a shelter. My Code said that the attacks of Islamic terrorists could not stop. He was kidnapped in Nigeria but he escaped and returned. He is saying that 5 people were killed in front of him. Now he has gone to another place to kill and destroy. Mina Kawajavi, who is in prison in Iran for her Christian faith, says that she told only one acquaintance that Jesus is the Son of God, and then she was prosecuted and arrested and sent to prison. Simon Horse serves as a pastor in China. When pressured to stop preaching about heaven, hell, and life after death, he said that this was the true message. For this, he was subjected to physical and mental torture, and then sent to prison. Arman said that he is a Christian in Afghanistan, but he cannot openly express his faith. When the Taliban found out that he followed Christianity, they kidnapped Arman, during which Arman faced physical, mental, and sexual violence. The rest of the Abads are Christians and used to run their own timber business in Egypt. Due to their progress, the Muslims of the area trapped him in their words and accused him of blasphemy and sent him to prison. Christian Burhani, who lives in Eritrea, says that Islamic extremists kidnapped her husband. Then she heard about the cruelty and her husband died. Now she is being turned away from door to door. Indonesia. Rahmat Hayat, a Christian man, was running a pizza business. Some people came to his shop and told him that he cannot feed his family as a Christian. They hatched a plan and killed him on his way home. Tuberville is a pastor in Nicaragua. He was ordered by the government to stop preaching Christianity, but when he continued, he was kidnapped, tortured, and then imprisoned. Stay with us for more news. If you want to watch more such videos and you liked our video, then subscribe to our channel. A reliable source of information. Stay connected with CRC News.